That's the reason for the joke.
I'm not looking too happy now.
One tube, like little tighter.
That's what I was trying to do.
Yeah,
Like,
one tighter should be needed.
Thank
Could
you.
we please invite Ms. Aruna Rajapatla?
All of it. Give it.
Thank you.
Yes.
No, I'm good. Yes, yes.
What do you want?
okay.
Yes.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, once again, good evening everyone, and welcome to the event. I'm Nikki, and our special thanks to the guest of honor. We are here on a momentous occasion, not just to launch an app, but also be a part of history. And history because this is an absolute first for us in India. An app that enables instant, affordable legal solutions. And I'm going to go on a whim here and say, for somebody who's been through something like this, it would have worked for me when I needed it. So, without further ado, I'm going to call upon Vandana Shah, Advocate Vandana Shah. So, Advocate Vandana Shah is an award-winning divorce lawyer. I'm sure you all know that. Author, columnist, and social entrepreneur on whom the BBC has made a documentary, Invisible Women of India. She is also the author of the bestseller X-Files. The Story of My Divorce, published by Penguin, which has been launched by the then Honorable Attorney General of India, Mr. Mukul Rohatgi, and the then Honorable Chief Justice of Mumbai High Court, Mr. Mohit Shah. It has been endorsed by Lord Meghnad Desai, Padma Vibhushan Sonal Mansingh, and it looks at divorce through a humorous lens. X-Files is now a part of the Judicial College syllabus. Her work as a social entrepreneur, where she set up India's first support group, 360 Degrees Back to Life, has been lauded by Gloria Steinem, the world's foremost feminist, who has endorsed her previous book. She has also translated a book written by the Jain saints. Her work has been lauded both by the national as well as international media. She has been a panelist frequently on BBC, NDTV, amongst others, and at various literary festivals. Current
Come here.
Okay. Hi, good evening, everyone. Can everyone hear me?
Yes.
Okay, so thank you everyone for being here. And I just want to share my journey of Divorce Cart with you. You know, why Divorce Cart? You've heard a little bit about me from my friend here. But why Divorce Cart, and what are we looking at today? Essentially, my journey with Divorce Cart started about over a decade ago, where I was going through a bad divorce and I didn't know what to do. I restarted my life with 750 rupees and literally just the clothes on my back. I have a few of my old neighbors who are sitting in the audience. So they've seen me through that journey when I restarted my life. So what happens when you have nowhere to go and you don't know what to do? Your first thought when you're going through a divorce or any other legal problem is that you really need to take charge of your life. And unfortunately, at that point of time, your life is controlled by your lawyer. So, I have a few litigants who are sitting here. I'm not going to ask them to raise their hands, but Essentially, your lawyer becomes your new family. But you are not the only member of that lawyer's family. Because at the end of the day, the lawyer has their job to do. They all have not only one case, they have maybe 50 cases, 60 cases, maybe hundreds of other cases. So you are their priority, but not always their top priority. So what happens in such a situation? That's when the idea of Divorce Cart came to me, keeping in mind the new digital revolution that we are looking at. So what do I bring to Divorce Cart? I bring to Divorce Cart three things. It is instant, it is affordable. Like I said, when I started my journey with only 750 rupees and started rebuilding my life, I didn't have money really to consult a lawyer. I mentioned in my book X-Files that the first thing I did was sell my Mangal Sutra to go and pay the lawyer. Now, if I had had Divorce Cart, I don't think I would have had to do that. So you need an affordable lawyer. You need a lawyer 24/7. What starts happening, like I was discussing with Rashmi, it's at 1:32 in the morning that you start thinking that something is going wrong. I don't know what to do. Should I call up my lawyer? But you know it, that you can't call your lawyer at 2 a.m. in the morning. You'll probably call a friend of yours like I did. I used to call a friend of mine called Sid all the time, all the time, all the time. And all he did at that stage was essentially offer me a lot of emotional solace. But he could not give to me a legal solution. So, for example, if I had my case the next day, I needed to know whether I need to be present in the case. What is going to happen on that date? Is it even important for me to be present for that case? That is where something like Divorce Cart will change the way that we view lawyers. It will change the way that we look at legal problems. It will change the way that we look at legal solutions. Because you don't have to wait to contact your lawyer. It is 24/7. You can get in touch with that lawyer even at 2 a.m. in the morning. You can even get in touch with that lawyer at 6 a.m. in the morning. And you know what's the best part? When I was going through a divorce, initially I didn't want anyone to know that I'm going through a divorce. So what do? No, I'm separated. No, he's gone out of town. I mentioned that in my book, that when I got a job with one of the multinationals, I just said, well, my husband is back home in India. But that was a lie. You know, that's how you deal with divorce at the workplace, so you lie. So what does this app also do? It also gives you anonymity when you are going through a divorce. No one is going to tout and shout from the rooftops that, look here, I am going through a divorce, or I am going through a personal problem, but I will stick only to divorce at this stage. So this app gives you anonymity. This app provides you confidentiality. It is instant. It is 24/7. And the best part is, at least for the trial stage, we are running it for free for the first 3 months. As a litigant, and 16 years later, I stand before you all on 22nd November 2017, launching Divorce Cart, the app. I do expect that I will have your support. I'm sure that you all will carry the word around, and anyone who needs us will get in touch with us. Thank you. I just want to share one final, it's a weekday, people may not come, don't do it in the evening, choose another day, go closer to the weekend. I said, no, it's my father's 29th death anniversary. I must honor him and let him know that his education has not gone waste. So, thank you very much.
I'm just kind of lost for words right now. I think that's absolutely fabulous, Vandana, absolutely. So, well, on that note, I'm going to call on our next speaker with his name. And if you haven't, then you haven't laughed. So Ranveer Shori, born to a Hindi film producer's home, he grew up on the fringes of the Mumbai film industry with a diploma in film and video production from St. Xavier's Institute of Communication. He started his career in television as a VJ on the immensely popular Channel V. Yes, I watched it. He was one of the lead actors of the very successful stand-up and sketch comedy TV show, The Great Indian Comedy Show on Star TV. He was also the co-host of the successful talk show, and we can never forget the Jodi, Ranveer, Vinay, Orkon. And of course, he has a huge list, a long list of career in the film industry. He started his career with Manisha Koirala in the movie Ek Choti Si Love Story. I have to, because, you know, people need to know. And he's done a whole host of movies. Some of them we've enjoyed immensely. Some of them that have received accolades in the industry. Some like Khosla Ka Ghosla being one of them. And yeah, so Ranveer Shori, talented, versatile actor, I think, of the film industry.
I want to take the mic and let's
Say a few words.
You can say nice first.
Really nice words. I'm very happy to be here. And Vandana told me about Divorce Cart and that she wanted me to be here today. I thought not only is it a great idea to have this app in India, which I'll come to later why, but first I want to tell you guys what Vandana did for me. So I am on a flight to a Lit Fest somewhere in the north, and randomly I have a lady sitting, you know, one seat away from me, and I don't know what prompted me to start a conversation with her. And of course, by now, I think everybody knows the lady that I'm talking about. And I was in the middle of my separation at the time, and I was so lost, I cannot tell you, because I think in India, especially why this app is important is because in India, the focus, the weight of marriage, I think starts when you're quite young, you know. It's like one of the life goals that you're supposed to achieve. And when that doesn't work out, the associated feelings of failure and of dejection, and I don't know how many other negative emotions I can attach to that. You have to go through it to understand. And I was going through all that, and I don't know, it was almost destiny and fate, I feel, that I met Vandana and we struck up this wonderful conversation. And since then, we've just grown better friends, you know, from week to week, whenever we meet. And for me, I was lucky because along with the emotional support of a friend, she was also, well, a hotshot divorce lawyer, so I got a lot of free advice as well. But these two things I wanted to say, that one, today gender roles are changing tremendously. And so I think it's great. It's a great idea to have this application to be able to help you when you need it the most. And frankly, Vandana, I think you also said you talk to friends. I also talk to friends. Friends don't always end up giving you the best advice. I mean, they mean well, but finally, when it comes to the crunch, you know, when push comes to shove, I don't think friends will give you the best advice. It's better to have somebody who's more informed to give you advice. Why this app? And then I told you why India. Because I think in India, more than anything, people who go through separation and divorce need all the help, I feel. Because like I said, in India, it's just a big deal. So, good going, Vandana. And I'm very happy that you're doing this. I'll be signing up for sure, even after 3 months.
Thank you. Thank you.
All right, thank you for that, Ranveer. And I'd like to call upon our next guest, who I'm very proud of.
So what happens is a lot of times, you see the movies that we refer to are Hollywood movies. So a lot of times the clients come and ask me, but you know, will they ask my child to come in court and say choose between these two, because that is the most iconic sequence from Kramer versus Kramer. So we have nothing which gives us a point of reference in India. You know, and I don't think that's going to change very soon, but probably the web will change the way divorce is perceived, the way legal situations are perceived. And I keep saying that, you know, now legal is the way ahead. Sorry, not because I'm only a lawyer, but you know, whether it is banning a movie, Padmavati, or Deepika Padukone's unibrow, whether she's having an affair or she's not having an affair, everything you are approaching the court. You know, so as the court and judiciary gain more prominence, I think that's when all these stories which revolve inside judiciary will start getting made, and I think the web will change the way things are perceived. I'm not looking at larger screens to go ahead and do that, but the web will bring about the change. That's what I feel.
Yeah, I agree with you. Vandana, I just want to ask a question as a lawyer on the legal side. Some changes have been expected, right? Yeah, I mean, various laws which are not in sync with the current time. So do you see that changing?
Yeah, I should hope so. So about 3 months ago, I was speaking with the NCW, which is National Commission for Women, and discussing with them what about prenuptial agreements in India. You know, let's get real, divorce is happening. Like I said that, you know, 10 years ago we were looking at divorce as 1 in 1,000. 10 years later, are low, but see the number of times, that's a 13 times growth in 10 years. So we are making a new family court in Mumbai, which is going to be 14 floors. We already have a new family court in Pune, which has just happened about 3 months ago. So earlier it used to function out of 2 floors, just in one, as part of a college. Now that became insufficient. They constructed a new one. So your unofficial statistics show that divorce is happening. People don't want to believe that it is, marriage will last for a lifetime. You know, earlier we used to say, 7 janmo ka saath hai. Nowadays, 7 janmo ka saath no hoega, but not with the same spouse. You know, so I see it day in and day out of reducing the waiting period when you are going through mutual consent divorce. Recently we were discussing this and it's come in the news. But unfortunately that reduction in the waiting period again comes with its own riders attached. So if you've been in court for, let's say, more than 2 years, only then your mutual consent, a 6-month waiting period can be waived after, let's say you apply on 20th January. You will still have to wait for another 6 months unless you can convince the court that no, I don't need this waiting period because it is intolerable to stay. You go to lodge a complaint in the police station, they always say, Miya Bivi ka matter hai, aap sort out kar lena. Kyun complaint likhwa rahe ho? You know, so that's the second change I think will come about because people are now impatient. Be the time taken into consideration. There should be the number of years you spent as a couple. There should be your liabilities so that it doesn't happen that, you know, women are accused of misusing the law a number of times, which has happened with 498A and the Domestic Violence Act. But to prevent that abuse, you know, we should, this law, the third... Okay.
Want to sign up? What do you want to
Sunil is not
I'm
going to
too
sign
eager.
up.
I'm too eager.
All right.
Where's the other? Where's the?
So we pull the
Come on, start the app, man.
we pull the this thing.
Yeah, just pull the rest of it.
Okay. Ranveer, which side are you coming? Aruna ma'am.
I'll come on that side, you stay.
Okay.
This is the main door.
Okay. Rashmi.
Yes.
That's why I came.
Okay.
Yeah.
Ready, guys?
Yes.
Here we go.
Yep.
Not only the same one.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
So are you gonna
Physically show
Yeah.
it.
So before we actually open the floor to any questions, I'm actually going to call upon stage Monica Raheja, who herself is a litigant and is going through a messy divorce. She's educated, qualified, a professional, but she'd like to share her experience and show you what it's like to use the app. Over to you, Monica.
I get my phone?
Yeah.
Ishita,
Do you need the mic on?
No, I can.
Is it going to show up here?
Yeah, it's showing right now actually. So when I opened the app, I went into chat with your lawyer, and I'm looking at know your laws right now. If you just go through that, you can see the Hindu Marriage Act. There is a Parsi Marriage Act. You know, everything in that. There's a Foreign Marriage Act as well in there. So this actually gives us the entire information.
Absolutely.
So if I want to read up as to what are my rights, I can just go through that and read up.
That's right.
I'm clicking on chat with the lawyer. Do I get to chat with you?
Yes, you get to chat with me.
Excellent. Yo, what's up? Okay. So it's welcoming me right now. And let me
Going to be answering your queries 24/7. So that is what a lawyer's admin panel would look like. So I had filmed it earlier to show what it would look like because it would be difficult to display on the phone over there. So the minute a litigant asks me a question, or any of the lawyers present there, they ask them a question, I get to answer that question.
What is Whisper?
Whisper is, so it comes in smaller letters.
I thought you were going to whisper that.
No. So that's how basically the app is going to work. And I just want to share a couple of words about Monica. Monica's, I'm really thankful to her for coming on stage because, like we discussed here, you know, people are so apprehensive of talking about going through a divorce. People are so reluctant, and there's press over here today. They will understand what it is to go through a divorce, to get a litigant to actually come on stage. It is an... I think she's really brave to do that, and I'm really thankful to her. And you know, I really hope I can win her case for her, you know, and I think I will. Monica told me today that my clipping has come in, who is on the opposite side, so we are hoping for a bigger settlement.
So I never let go of an opportunity to go on the mic. I have a bad throat, so please bear with all the bass that you're getting. But no, because she was kind enough to say these words about me, I must say it's been an absolute pleasure. I have Kinney here in the audience, who's Vandana's friend, who introduced me to Vandana, and that part just changed my life. I honestly didn't know where I was going. Me, you know, very important thing, I have another cousin going through divorce in my family, and she's all about knowing every single thing. I think she knows more about the law than her lawyer. And my entire family pressurizes me, learn, you should know what's happening. I was like, no, I have Vandana. She's superb at her job, I don't need to worry. So for me, coming on stage to actually talk about it is more because of the confidence that she gives me. And honestly, I'm not ashamed that I'm going through divorce. It's part of life.
Thank you very much. We'd like to open it to the audience.
Great, then guys, start downloading. What are you waiting for?
Okay, thank you very much. With this, we come to an end of today's evening.
I have a question for you, sorry.
Yes.
Is this the first app in Asia, perhaps? Or are there other apps like this? Would you know? I don't know.
At this point, we actually went on Google and searched, and I'm very happy to say there isn't any other app.
Asia that does that. It is the only app in the world which allows you a 24/7 chat with a lawyer, not with a bot, not with someone telling you, thank you for emailing me or thank you for chatting with me, I will come back to you later. So one of my reasons, thank you. One of my reasons for doing that is because it's really frustrating at that stage that, you know, you and this, thank you for leaving your information, we'll revert. You know, you're kind of really angry and murderous kind of at that stage. You know, so thank you. Yes, it'll be the first in the world that we are doing this.
But your personal mission statement is to get couples to work it out. How are you going to do business? It's about time you change that.
No, I think, you know, we are not advocating divorce, but we do say that, look, if you're going through one, we'll help you to make it easier. It's like having a hospital built. Just because there's a hospital, it doesn't mean...
You know, because most people getting onto this would be at that very preliminary stage where they do not know what's happening. And so you don't want to jump into any legalities. Maybe you need to rethink everything. Because anyways, you have your friends probably not giving the best at the other perspective to the whole thing, that you really don't need to go through the whole process. Yeah, so counseling is.
Yeah, so great question, you know, thank you for bringing that up because I'd totally forgotten about it. We were so focused on the legal solutions we are providing. So part of the app, we are also providing free legal aid and support, but we are also providing an opportunity to be a part of a support group for people going through a breakdown of marriage. So that support group, you know, the essential function of the...
सब्जी अच्छी है कि नहीं है,
हाँ,
ओके है,
ठीक है, you know, चला लेंगे।
दम बिरयानी को 12 घंटे लगेंगे, नहीं बनानी है।
So, you know, I'll let you go with that. You know, so you may just get the right advice and it may veer the way your life's course may go. Everyone for being here.
Please spread the word for those who need it.
Please spread the word for those who need it. And I'm assuming that the minute you all step out of this auditorium, you all will start downloading my app. Because I've seen the faces of everyone who's here. Next time I meet you, I'm going to check your phone.
I'm just concerned if I download it, my husband might start getting ideas.
I'll take care of
Your
him.
husband is good or okay?
What is that called? Faux meat. Tofu, but it's meat.
But it's me. Oh, okay. All right, thank you very much for everyone who's here. And I look forward to being in touch with you all. And just thank you for being here today because it has been quite I don't know, a difficult decision, but I just said, let's just do it. Thank you very much, everyone. Thank you.
आपका रिपोर्टर कौन है? हेलो मिस्टर शौरी।
सॉरी नहीं, मैं जैसा आप लोग यहीं थे, मैंने यहाँ स्टेज पे भी कहा कि डिवोर्स कार्ड जैसी ऐप इस वक्त दुनिया में बहुत ज़रूरी है, मैं मानता हूँ। बिकॉज़ पूरी दुनिया में जो जेंडर रोल्स हैं चेंज हो रहे हैं। औरतें कुछ अब और चाहती हैं, मर्द कुछ और चाहते हैं। तो ऐसे टाइम पे जो एक मैरिज जैसा इंस्टीट्यूशन जो कि काफ़ी पुराना इंस्टीट्यूशन है, उस पे काफ़ी दबाव है। उस दबाव की वजह से बहुत लोग, बहुत आदमी और औरत सफ़र करते हैं। जब क्योंकि एक ऐसे रिलेशनशिप में आ जाना जहाँ पे आपको ये महसूस हो कि आप फंस गए हैं, दैट इज़ नॉट हेल्दी फॉर एनीबडी। और उसमें से निकलने के लिए जो प्रेशर्स हैं, जो लीगल प्रेशर्स हैं, चाहे सोसाइटी के प्रेशर्स हैं या आपके अंदर इमोशनल जो अंदरूनी प्रेशर्स हैं, वो काफ़ी आपका बुरा हाल कर सकते हैं। तो इस माहौल में मैं समझता हूँ ये ऐसी ऐप, डिवोर्स कार्ड जैसी ऐप बहुत ही अच्छा आइडिया है। आज हमारे पास सब कुछ है, फ़ोन पे हर चीज़ के लिए ऐप है। पिक्चर की टिकट बुक करने के लिए से लेके खाना खाने तक, घर खरीदने से लेकर जूते खरीदने तक, सब चीज़ों के लिए ऐप है। तो ऐसी ऐप, और वो भी जो सर्विसेज वंदना ने उसमें इंक्लूड की हैं, मैं समझता हूँ दे आर ऑलमोस्ट लाइक सोशल सर्विस। एक ऐसी ऐप बनाना कि जो आपको 24/7 आपको एडवाइस कोई देने के लिए वहाँ मौजूद है, वो अपने आप में बहुत बड़ी चीज़ है आज की दुनिया में। तो रात को 2 बजे आप अपने आप को बहुत अकेला महसूस कर सकते हैं अगर आप मुसीबत में हों तो, खास करके ऐसी मुसीबत जो आप किसी को बता नहीं सकते। फिर दूसरी बात, लॉयर्स हैं उसमें आपको एडवाइस करेंगे, तो ये नहीं कि किसी दोस्त ने आपके साथ बैठ के 2 ग्लास वाइन के पिए या 2 विस्की मारे, दोस्त ने बोला बेटा तू ये कर दे या बेटी तू ये कर दे, तो उस मामले में चीज़ें कभी कभी क्या होता है और ख़राब हो जाती हैं। तो आपके पास अगर कोई साउंड इंसान या साउंड सोर्स ऑफ इंफॉर्मेशन हो, तो हो सकता है आपकी बात बिगड़ने की जगह बन ही जाए, फिर से बन जाए। So I think one should not see divorce only in a negative light. One should try to also see the positives of it. कब दो लोगों की आपस में एक
एक कुछ बनाने की कोशिश जब अगर नाकाम हो तो इसका मतलब ये नहीं कि सब कुछ चकनाचूर होना ज़रूरी है। उसका ये भी हो सकता है कि 2 लोग नहीं बना पाए तो ठीक है, फिर से अपनी लाइफ को रीबिल्ड कर सकें वो लोग। तो बहुत पॉजिटिव्स मैं मानता हूँ एंड आई एम सो हैप्पी दैट यू नो दैट वंदना इज़ माई फ्रेंड एंड शी इज़ डन दिस। So I wish her all the best, and I want everybody out there to know that if you are in a situation like this, please remember, download Divorce Cart app immediately. It's one of Asia and the world's first of its kind.
एंड मैं एक और चीज़ ऐड करना चाहती हूँ डिवोर्स कार्ड के बारे में। रणवीर ने बोला कि आपकी ज़िंदगी चकनाचूर नहीं होनी चाहिए और ना ही आपको कंगाल होना चाहिए। एक लॉयर की फ़ीस देते देते आपकी पीठ नहीं टूट जानी चाहिए। तो अगर आप डिवोर्स कार्ड के पास आएंगे, क्योंकि हम फ्री लीगल सर्विसेज दे रहे हैं और आपको सही लीगल सर्विसेज दे रहे हैं, तो कम से कम आपकी ज़िंदगी और आपका बैंक बैलेंस तो एकदम कम नहीं होगा। वैसे भी आपकी ज़िंदगी तो काफ़ी टूट चुकी है क्योंकि आपका डिवोर्स हो रहा है। तो कम से कम फाइनेंशियली आप थोड़े सिक्योर हो जाएंगे। इस ऐप में हम थोड़ा सपोर्ट ग्रुप भी प्रोवाइड कर रहे हैं, तो आपको काउंसलिंग में भी आपकी मदद हो जाएगी। तो एक जो रणवीर ने बोला, रात को 2 बजे आप एकदम अकेले होते हैं, अब मैं क्या करूं? तो ये ऐप आपका 2 बजे या 4 बजे या 6 बजे का आपका दोस्त है जिसको लीगल नॉलेज है। मैं इस हिसाब से ये ऐप को मानती हूँ।
बहुत बढ़िया आइडिया है।
बट कहीं ना कहीं आपको नहीं लगता, मतलब ठीक है जैसा कि कहीं ना कहीं
ऊंचा बोलो भाई, सवाल डर के मत बोलो। तुम्हारा डिवोर्स हो रहा है क्या? हाँ फिर ऊंचा बोलना, क्या पूछ रहा है?
नहीं, जैसे ये डिवोर्स को हाइक मतलब एक राइज दे देगा डिवोर्स को इंडिया में।
यार ऐप से तो अच्छा, तुम्हारे कहने का मतलब है अगर बुक माई शो बन गई तो फिल्में की टिकटें ज़्यादा बिकनी शुरू हो गई क्या? ऐसा थोड़ी होता है ना। अगर घर बेचने वालों की ऐप बन गई तो घर ज़्यादा बिक रहे हैं, फिर तो इकोनॉमी कहीं की कहीं होनी चाहिए। ऐसा नहीं होता। एक जैसे कहीं जाने की जगह अब आपको जाना नहीं पड़ेगा, इतना ही फ़र्क है। बोलिए।
इंडिया में काफ़ी सेपरेशन काफ़ी डिवोर्स कैसे, तो कितना बेनिफिट मिलेगा इस ऐप से?
जैसा मैंने अभी तो पूरा यार पूरी रामायण सुनने के बाद राम पूछ रहे हैं यार तुमको अभी तो पूरा बताया मैंने कि अगर ऐसी हालत में आप हों तो आपके लिए बहुत बढ़िया टूल है ये। बहुत कन्वीनियंट है आपके हाथ में, आपके फ़ोन में। कभी ऐसी सिचुएशन हो बस आपको डाउनलोड करना है एंड इट्स देयर टू सपोर्ट यू, यू नो, टू हेल्प यू आउट। इससे ज़्यादा और क्या आप मांग सकते हो? आप लोगों का यही ना, तुम लोगों की तो लगता है शादियां भी नहीं हुई हैं, आधे लोगों की जिनकी हुई हैं उनका लगता है डिवोर्स नहीं हुआ है। तो अगर तुम जब वो सिचुएशन में हो, दिल तो गर्लफ्रेंड से झगड़ा तो होता है। अब सोचो गर्लफ्रेंड से जब झगड़ा होता हो उस सिचुएशन में तुम रात के 2 बजे सोच रहे मैं क्या करूं और तुम्हारे पास कोई सपोर्ट के लिए है, इस नज़रिए से देखो तो उसको आई थिंक इट्स अ ग्रेट स्टेप। छापना जरूर पे।